Hi guys, this is Pratap here. Now we are going to talk about NMAP. So NMAP is one of the open source tool in order to find out information about system IP address port number. So with the help of NMAP, what all information you can fetch it. Let me show you the diagram first. What is that scenario we have? We have one Windows machine. We have one Kali machine. So uh, this is your Kali machine, Kali Linux, and this is Windows. Now they are in the network, that is 192. The network is 192.168.43.0/24 network, and this system having IP address 192.168 43.44, and this machine having IP address 192.168 43.221. So now what we are going to achieve, we in that Kali Linux, in this Kali already inbuilt with NMAP. Okay, so there is a NMAP already present there, right? So with the help of NMAP, we will be finding details about the whole IP information and host information in the network. So what all we can check it? We can find out network information with the help of NMAP. This is the information we can find. Then we can find OS information. Then we can find out open ports. Then we can check that version of that operating system and many other things that we are going to show you up. So this NMAP, that is for Kali. Now if you want to run NMAP in Windows, then they have graphical tool that is called Genmap. That is also a very good tool. Both of them I'm going to show you up, and you can see that how we are going to execute. So in between they having a connectivity, and the connectivity is in the bridge network. We are using VM, so we have a bridge network here. I will show you that. Okay, so let's take you there. So this is that Windows machine. This is Windows machine, and you can see here, go to the setting and you can find it out that is a bridge network. You can go here and you can click on setting, and you can find it's a bridge network. Then we'll check that connectivity between two machine. Let's say this is the Kali. You will ping that Windows 192.168.43.44. Yes, we are getting reply. From that Windows will check ping 221, that is Kali Linux. So you can see it here, we are getting reply. Now from that Kali Linux we will be running that command and we will be finding the information. Alright, so first let's put that command nmap and then 192.168, then 43.44. So immediately it will be finding the details about that very host. You can see the port information and MAC information also, you can find it from there. Now if I want to go more in detail, so you'll be go there and then yes and then N, or you can put it in small. So you can see there the client details. NMAP scan report client. This is the client. This is the latency, and this is the MAC address, and it's showing that VMware. Okay, so MAC provided by VM. Alright, so next we are going to check it here, like we are finding that port number as I told you. So we'll be going there and we want to put that port number. So port is two types. One is let me explain this one. So they'll be having two kind of port. One is TCP. So you will be having TCP ports, TCP and UDP. So we will be finding both the information, TCP also and UDP also. So let's have a look how we are going to do that. So once we'll be going here, and then you will be putting S and T. So this is TCP. Once the output will come, I will pick it and I will show you up. Now you can see it's a TCP. These are the port are opened here. Alright. Now we are going to check that UDP. So you can see it here. These are the UDP ports is going to show you up. So it will be coming up. Now see it's a UDP. Can you see that? Yes. Next we want to find out that operating system information like NMAP and then capital O. So it's going to find out the operating system information. Okay, so now these are the commands you have seen it. Now if you want to see entire command like nmap, what all other commands or the other combination that you can make, so then you can go like this, nmap hyphen hyphen help. Now see, so many combinations are there, you can make use of it. Okay, let's go to that Windows. This is our GenMap, and we are going to find out that details. Let's say this is Kali Linux IP address. Now we are going to find out that OS details. So I will put it O and I will scan. You have to give the space. Now you will be able to see it will be finding the details. Yes, got it. So you see scan port for that Kali Linux, it find it out. There is only one hop. This is that MAC address. Fine. Now let's say you want to find out that TCP port. Then you can put it. What are the ports are open? You can click. Alright. So the TCP port, which all port are open here, it's going to show you up. So it will taking some time to come up. Just have some patience. Yes, it came up here. You can see. So once we'll be going here, host or port. Yes, this is that your connectivity. This is how it is connected with. The host is up, zero latency, all 1000 Kali and filtered. Okay, so this way you can find out all that port details and everything. So guys, let me know if they're having any question, so please put in your comment and that will help me to make it better.